Well, howdy, Shawn Bikes. Today I am going bike riding. It's really windy outside. Or smoky. It's pretty windy. It's gonna be pretty windy on the bike. It's pretty warm, so might be a kind of a tough bike ride, but hey, that's what it's there for. It's exercise. So off to Tunnel Hill Trail we go. You hear that? That's a lot of cicadas. I'm not doing anything to the sound. So I'm waiting on a new mic from Rode. It's like a Video Pro mic, and it should be able to allow me to capture sound in front of me at a pretty well rate. But I still think the mic on this camera is probably doing a good job of picking up the cicadas, which are really loud. Just did a little live stream on Facebook. Hopefully folks were able to hear it as loud as I hear it. Hopefully you can hear it as loud as I hear it. It's loud, folks. It's also really windy out today, so if you hear wind noises, I apologize. I need to get a dead cat for the microphone. The new microphone that I have coming is a shotgun mic, and it has a really nice dead cat. For the people who don't know microphones, a dead cat is a wind muff. It's kind of morbid sounding, but that's what they call it. It just kind of, reduces the wind noise. So that's what it is, a big hairy thing. Looks like a dead cat. But I already got the dead cat in the mail. I'm just waiting on the mic. A slight break from Cicada-geddon. Here we're getting back into them. All right, still trucking along here. The cicadas are definitely loud. Breeding trestle. Doing pretty good on time, I think. For as windy as it is. Nice sunny spot here. Work on my cyclist hand. Finally getting into the wind. It's blowing pretty good for a minute. Blowing enough where it kind of feels good. It's kind of hot out, so felt kind of good. Cicadas are loud, of course. Oh, going towards the tunnel here. Nice and cool through here. Feels great, like an air conditioner. It's great on these warmer days when you're kind of warm, kind of hot. Oh man, the closer I get to it, the colder it gets. Feels pretty nice. So you might think Why does Shawn always ride with his light on in the tunnel? Why not just go through in the dark? I used to, until one day I was coming through here with a light on and noticed people stacked rocks all through it intentionally to make cyclists wreck. So that's why I don't do it anymore, because there are buttheads out there that want to cause us to wreck just for the fun of it. And that's why I don't do it. So now I try to use a light every time. And if I don't have a light, I just try to go slow. It's crazy loud. It's my turnaround spot. I wish cicadas ate mosquitoes. They'd be welcome anytime. I did with that sound. All right, stopped here at Tunnel Hill, Illinois trailhead. Now I'm gonna head back. I did this ride in under an hour. I think I may get some PR, we'll see. All right, done with the ride. Okay, folks, done with the ride. Wow. Holy crap. Oh, man. The cicadas are loud. They're so loud that, like, it feels like I've been listening to a heavy metal music concert or something. Golly, that's crazy. Wow. That's really crazy. It was loud enough where, you know, I didn't think it was that loud, but getting back in the truck, you know, your ears, when you're at a concert or you're around something really loud, and they're kind of almost feel like they're stuffed up. That's what it feels like. I mean, it's kind of returning to normal a little bit at a time, but wow, I didn't realize how loud they were. So anyway, I put a little video on Strava. If you look me up on Strava, Shawn Gossman, Hiking with Shawn, and look for, it's May 21st, 2024 when I took this, and just look for Tone Deaf Tuesday as the bike ride name. And I put a little video, a little 15-second video of me riding with, I mean, you're already listening to it earlier in this video, but you could listen to it on the phone, on my phone if you want. That might be a little louder, I don't know. But obviously you already heard it on this video, I forgot. Dang, that was loud. That was crazy.